Yes, when you were there, but since this happened Tuesday, you weren't in the community, right?
No.
Okay, so you're with up on third party again. We need somebody who in the area. We need somebody where they're on spot and who they go to the video shoot and something to come out on top. You can invite some of your family members them from over there and share the life with them and then come out on top. For them to come over
If you
here.
could look for this guy that him do videos, his name is Lasanik Reed.
No, me don't want him. Me want one of the family member. One of them are living at the house or close to the grandmother. The also the little girl come out. Where I got talk the truth.
But what about the aunt that was talking?
From me, I look.
The one that had her medals around her neck.
The auntie that the mother was sitting beside in a yellow blouse?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that one they can't come out. Share with her, make she come.
No,
but judging by it, lava, them look at them and not even know what I mean that cause
everybody not in the ear. Everybody they far like coming they far from Trelawney.
My dear.
Everybody they far. So somebody who is in the same area, close to the house, what is happening?
You know, me not like with Jamaica. You know, me not like no. You see, Jamaica, everybody used to, about Bush I used to have, yes, everybody used to look out for everybody. No, everybody, me not inform, I'm in a business with nobody, business with nobody business. It not supposed to work like that.
But to be honest, let's be honest and fair.
Everybody feel look out for everybody.
Weird, let's be honest and fair. In this situation, if a person not really see what I mean, or them really can't say nothing. Cause them not really see, they have to work out what they hear and what they.
But you must hear the little girl that scream or something.
You know, you're all alone.
as I said, guys, alone bush and nobody really. You see, most people live around they start working people. Them, I'm not gonna lie. But I said the same thing when me hear nobody hear the little girl screaming or whatever.
So let me ask you something, because you say they're pretending to that he's a half and son mind. No, I don't believe that a normal, and you have to have wickedness to a different extent to grape a little girl, unalive her, and then go home, go bed, and go back and sell can.
Mm-hmm.
That cannot be a normal person. So it's either him half and son mind, or it's either he's not. Now, I tell you what me believe. Me believe say the police them need to do a DNA test of the little girl and the guy that get unalive. That's just my strong, honest opinion. Because there's too much. There's so much what's the word I'm looking for? Inconsistencies in the family member them thing. You understand? And two family members come here today. One say, oh, the whole community afraid of this boy. But yet still, when the thing happened, they could have managed to unalive him. So how them afraid of him so much, but them could have gone and unalive him when it happened? It don't make any sense to me. It just don't make any sense. I feel like, I personally think the community should come out and ask the little baby mother should ask the police them to do a DNA swab test on both everybody's, and make we take it from there, because I am not going to sit down and let nobody come feed me with no tube, nothing. And I am not saying there is not overwhelming evidence of this guy that is a repeat offender. I am not saying no, and I am not saying he cannot do it. But you see, if something walk like a duck, quack like a duck, don't expect me to call it a giraffe. Me I go call it a duck. And right now, this is it smells so much. It smells fishy like Rocky Pint. This thing here.
Because there could be other pedophiles in the community too.
Right. So
Tiger, I have a question. I don't really know Jamaica. I don't really like doing a DNA thing, like the police do it for free, or do they have to pay for it, or what? Like, how does that work?
In a situation like this, they have to pay, but in a situation like this, they can they hire like the sergeant or something like that, or probably the what you call it, the prosecutors, them who do the court, they can summons to get it done. Because as I said, yes, this guy is a repeat offender, and we're not gonna look past that. However, things should just be straightforward, and if it is not straightforward, we need to look, because what happened, I feel like this guy actually has some mental problem. And I am saying, can somebody else commit this horrific hack and then pass it on to him? Because
as I stated before,
I've got a video on my phone where they're throwing the black at him. And I'm saying, but this people, this it look like he had gone.
as I said, his family, them not so right in their head. And I stated before that the rape, the raping starts in his home. His big brother did it to him first.
So what the big brother did?
He live in the community.
And
But he doesn't mess with people. But as me say, it have to be a generation thing, because it started in him. I think it's 3 brother them or more. The bigger brother do it to the littler brother. The little brother don't think of doing those. So he even left the community because him tired that it's a bring up, because he was being raped. He was being raped before till his thing came through his back door. His tribe came through his back door. So growing up, and him know say, oh, people at the community know him and people chopping about him. Him left and go and live him life. But it's only this guy. It's only this guy that was unalive. Keep doing it.
Who was doing that to that little brother? Who was doing that?
He have a bigger brother.
So the bigger brother.
I'm not gonna call his name. Yes. So him is the middle child. The bigger brother do it to him and the smaller brother.
This is what I ask. The one that left, where you said that come through, whatever. Who was doing it to him?
His bigger brother, not the one that got analyzed. The one that is,
I'm not born down there.
and that we keep on saying, we as a community member too is to be blamed to all people who are one, because we have them and we accept them.
We get where you're.
But it's as I said, it starts in the home. So the bigger brother do it to his brothers. And only the one that was unalive keep doing it to other people.
So that means to say father probably do it to a bigger brother. That's why the father defended so.
Probably generational curse. Cause there's a lot of folks in the community. There's a mad one. Him not really talk to people. Then him just go buy him cigarette and him rum and him gone back in till if him get a little work to go do. That's the only time you see him. There's a lot of coke, a whole heap of them are just that family alone. Head is not right. My baby father, the father child is coke. There's a whole lot of them down there that is coke.
So
the last name, the last name of that?
Yes. Them
so no see what go on here, man. A badness them a deal with. Because
only
that
them.
last name. Why?
The only thing can solve this, and everybody, trust me, everybody's gonna be right, is the DNA, as we are saying. Do a DNA, and it's not gonna be wrong. Until that DNA don't think can free my uncle, because he not deserve to get locked up.
But judging by what me hear said, the father has been unalive. The uncle probably soon come out because there's nobody to press charges.
But that's why he's been arrested, because he wasn't dead. So I hear that him tell the police that it was him.
Yeah, but somebody just said earlier that he has been unalive, so with no evidence and nobody pointing the finger, your uncle probably soon come out.
Hopefully.
Me don't understand why them will have Max doing it. Me just not get it. Me just don't understand why they will have Max, because at the end of the day, I've seen the video and a whole heap of people did it. So how they not speak about Max?
That's what I'm saying. And people keep saying, oh, the dad was the one who said to the police, say, is Max is the main suspect who unalived the son.
Tiger, you know me I said to you yesterday, video camera, yeah, when not the jungle justice, you know, allow the camera them alone.
I know that. Who did I watch the video when the police was there with the long gun?